The entire AI revolution is built on one absurdly simple math operation. Here it is. The last video we talked about neural networks, millions of artificial neurons all connected together. But what does a single one of those neurons actually do? Just three things: multiply, add, decide. Step one, multiply. A neuron takes in a bunch of inputs, maybe pixel brightness, maybe word frequency, could be anything. Each input gets multiplied by a weight. The weight is basically the neuron asking, how important is this input? High weight? Pay a lot of attention to it. Low weight? Mostly ignore it. Step two, add. The neuron takes all those weighted inputs and adds them up into a single number. That's it. One number. Step three, decide. The number gets passed through something called an activation function. Think of it like a threshold. If the number is high enough, the neuron fires. It passes a signal forward. If it's not, it stays quiet. It's basically the neuron's yes or no vote. Multiply, add, decide. That's the whole thing. Now stack millions of neurons doing that exact operation, all learning their weights, and you get GPT. Seriously, that's it. Follow for the next video. Drop your AI questions in the comments. I've been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great day.